Hi there, welcome to the GridMate Learning channel. Today, we're diving into export templates, a powerful feature that lets you control exactly which columns get exported from your grids. No more unnecessary data, no more manual cleanup. Let's jump in. We're looking at an open opportunities grid. Let's try exporting it as it is. Click on Export. As you'll notice, the exported file includes all columns by default, even the ones we may not need. Now let's create a custom export template to fix that. Go to the App Launcher, search for GM Cockpit, and open the Export Template section. Click Create New. Give your template a name. Set the object name to Opportunity. Set the columns you want to export. Add a description to keep things clear, then click Save. Now go back to your grid. Click Export again, select your new export template. Perfect. Now the exported file contains only the columns you chose: clean, simple, and exactly what you need. That's it. Thank you for watching.